Hello everyone, myself Professor Birazdar MJ from Pharmaceutical Chemistry Department, Dayanand College of Pharmacy, Latur. In today's class, I am going to discuss about the next part of the carboxylic acid, that is reactions of carboxylic acid or chemical properties of the carboxylic acid. There are 8 reactions of carboxylic acid are mentioned here. That is salt formation, another one is the formation of acid halides or acyl halides. Next one is the formation of amides, formation of anhydrides, formation of esters. It is also called a esterification reaction. Next one is a esterification using diazomethane. Next one is a reduction with aluminum hydride, and last one is a H-Wiechert reaction, that is Hell-Kohlhardt-Zielinski reaction, or it is also called as alpha halogenation reaction. Let us see one by one reaction or chemical property of carboxylic acid. Number one is a salt formation. Carboxylic acids with hydroxides, carbonates and bicarbonates to form corresponding salts. That is, carboxylic acid when treated with sodium hydroxide, here sodium bicarbonate, and here ammonia, forms corresponding salt, that is sodium. When carboxylic acid treated with sodium hydroxide, it forms sodium carboxylate, it is salt. When treated with sodium bicarbonate, it forms another sodium carboxylate salt. Here carboxylic acid treated with ammonia, it forms ammonium carboxylate salt. This reaction is called as salt formation of carboxylic acid. Second reaction is the formation of acid halides or acyl halides. Carboxylic acids react with phosphorus halides or thionyl chloride to form acid halides. For example, acetic acid when treated with phosphorus pentachloride, that is PCl5, it forms acetyl chloride, that is acyl halide. This is the acyl halide carbonyl group along with halogen, so it is called as acyl halide, that is acetyl chloride, plus phosphorus oxychloride and HCl is formed. Next reaction is when these carboxylic acids are treated with phosphorus trichloride, it forms same acetyl chloride and phosphoric acid H3PO3. Next, this acetic acid when treated with thionyl chloride SOCl2, it forms acetyl chloride along with sulfur dioxide HCl. This is called as formation of acid halides. Next reaction is a formation of amides. The carboxylic acid reacts with ammonia to yield salt, which on heating yield amides. See the reaction carboxylic acid when treated with ammonia, it forms corresponding salt of this carboxylic acid. When this again heated, it removes one water molecule, it forms carboxamide or amide. Acetic acid when treated with ammonia, it forms ammonium acetate. Next, removal of one water molecule, it forms acetamide. Next reaction is a formation of anhydride. How these anhydride derivatives are formed from the carboxylic acid. See, the carboxylic acid undergoes dehydration with phosphorus pentoxide to form acid anhydride. Carboxylic acid undergoes dehydration with phosphorus pentoxide to form acid anhydride. See in the reaction, 2 molecules of acetic acid when treated with phosphorus pentoxide, it forms acetic anhydride, that is, this OH from one acetic acid molecule and hydrogen from another acetic acid molecule, it removes one water molecule and forms acetic anhydride. Next reaction is a formation of ester. It is also called as esterification reaction. Carboxylic acid reacts with alcohol carboxylic acid reacts with alcohol in the presence of strong acid catalyst like H2SO4 or HCl to form esters. The reaction is reversible and is called as esterification reaction. Acetic acid, when treated with methanol in presence of H2SO4 or HCl, means acid and alcohol in presence of concentrated acid, strong acid. It forms corresponding ester, methyl acetate. This H2O molecule is removed from this reaction. Next reaction is esterification using diazomethane. When acid treated with diazomethane, it forms corresponding ester of that acid. Acid CH2 molecule attaches here and methyl ester is formed. Acetic acid, diazomethane, both are reacted with each other and dimethyl ester is formed. Next reaction is reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, LiAlH4 lithium aluminum hydride. When acids are treated or undergoes reduction with lithium aluminum hydride to give primary alcohols. See the reaction: acid when treated with lithium aluminum hydride in presence of ether as a solvent, it gives alcohol, and these are the byproducts. Acetic acid when treated with lithium aluminum hydride, ether as a solvent, it forms ethanol. Next reaction, HVZ reaction. So this is also called as Hell-Hollhard reaction, Zielinski reaction, or alpha halogenation reaction. The statement of the reaction is as: when a carboxylic acid that contains alpha hydrogen is treated with chlorine or bromine in the presence of phosphorus, the alpha hydrogen atom is replaced by chlorine or bromine atom. This reaction is known as Hell-Hollhard Zielinski or HVZ reaction. Simply here, carboxylic acid when treated with chlorine molecule in presence of phosphorus, halogenated acid is formed by removal of one HCl molecule. That is, halogenated acid is formed, alpha halogenated acid. That is, it consists of removal of one HCl molecule. Propionic acid when treated with chlorine in presence of phosphorus, it forms chloropropionic acid. Means this acid is substituted on the alpha position. Another part is a qualitative test for carboxylic acid. There are various tests for the qualitative test for carboxylic acids are there. Simple and very easy test is when carboxylic acid tested with litmus paper. What it shows, carboxylic acid turns blue litmus to red. This is the simple test for carboxylic acid. Another is a sodium bicarbonate test. The test is carried out likewise. To the given sample, a pinch of solid sodium bicarbonate is added. Evolution of carbon dioxide with brisk effervescence shows the presence of carboxylic acid. Next, second one is esterification test. Take a 0.2 gram of sample in test tube. Add 10 drops of ethyl alcohol. Again add 2 drops of concentrated H2SO4. Fragrant smell is there, fruity smell is there, so it confirms the carboxylic acid is present. Next test is a fluorescein test. The test shows that how the test is performed. 0.1 gram of sample is taken in test tube, then 0.1 gram of disorganizer added. Next, 0.5 ml of concentrated H2SO4 also added in the test tube. Heat the mixture and pour into a beaker containing dilute sodium hydroxide. Green fluorescence is observed in the beaker, so it confirms that the carboxylic acid is present. These are the three simple qualitative tests for carboxylic acid. These are the some compounds of carboxylic acid having structure and their uses. This is the acetic acid formula or structure of acetic acid, and this is used as a synthesis of acetone, ester, cellulose acetate and polyvinyl acetate, perfumes, plastic dyes, pharmaceutical aids, and in various industries it is also used as for preparation of all these things. Next one is lactic acid. This is the structure of lactic acid. It is used in the food industries for food preservative. Next, flavoring agent, decontaminant for meat processing, etc. Next acid is a tartaric acid. This is the structure of tartaric acid. It is used as carbonated beverage and effervescent tablets, baking powder, as mordant, silvering mirror, tanning for preparation of Rochella salt, emetic tartar, etc. Next one is a citric acid. This is the general structure of the citric acid. It is used as laxative, carbonated for soft drinks, jams, jellies, etc. and is also used as a good plasticizer. Next one is a succinic acid. Structure of the succinic acid. It is used in manufacturing of liqueurs, dyes, volumetric analysis for acid and base titration, etc. Next one, oxalic acid. This is the structure of oxalic acid. It is used in the redox titration, ink stain remover, mordant in dyeing, and calico printing. It is also used in manufacture of inks and metal polishes, allyl alcohol, formic acid. Next one is the salicylic acid. This is the structure of salicylic acid. It is a keratolytic agent, that is peeling agent, in the treatment of acne, anti-dandruff and psoriasis. Benzoic acid is a germicide, urinary tract infection and is disinfection, food preservative, sodium benzoate. Next one is a benzyl benzoate, in the treatment of scabies, spasmolytic, and also used in the excipient in the testosterone replacement therapy or medication. Next one is a dimethyl phthalate. This is the structure of dimethyl phthalate. It is used as insect repellent for mosquitoes and flies. Next one is the methyl salicylate. This is the structure of methyl salicylate. It is used as a muscle relaxant for pain, arthritis, and brushing backaches. Last one is acetyl salicylic acid, or it is called as aspirin. It is used as a painkiller, anti-inflammatory, anticoagulant agent. These are the references I have used for the preparation of this presentation. Thank you for your kind attention.